Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making uh, Tarragon steak, so let's get started. First of all, I've taken 6 chicken breasts. I'm going to add some salt, like salt to taste, and then I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of tarragon leaves, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, that's 2 teaspoons of mustard, and yeah, that's all. And now I have to mix it. Now you have to let it marinate for 25 minutes. We will make the tarragon sauce. So guys, first of all you're gonna open the stove. So first of all you're gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. You're gonna melt this to melt it. If you use salted butter, then don't add salt to it, because then it will get salty. Add in 2 small chopped onions, and then you're gonna just saute this. Now you're gonna add in 1 cup of warm water. Add in cube like this, and or you can add chicken powder. It's basically the same till I know. So you're gonna add the whole packet, like 2 of them. So we're gonna add this. That's it. Really mix it till it dissolves. If you want better results, you should use this Skinner cube stock. I'll some salt to taste. You can add in whatever amount you want, and then 1 teaspoon of pepper and 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons of tarragon leaves. Now you're gonna add in a packet of cream, and it is 200 ml. So guys, now the chicken has marinated for 25 minutes and now I'm going to grill it. So first of all, we're going to take unsalted butter, melt it. Guys, the butter has melted and now I'm going to grill the chicken. And this is on low heat. So we take the chicken, grill it. Take the other chicken or keep it over here. Sorting the vegetables, so I've added some oil and 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, and I've added the carrots. Now I'm going to add in some, I've added 3 carrots, 3 to 4 carrots you can add how much quantity you want, and I'm adding 1 chopped onions, not chopped actually, but you know, like this, and cauliflower, how much you want, and capsicum, 1 capsicum. And now I'm going to add some salt, just a little bit, a pinch. And now I'm going to add in some pepper. You can also boil these vegetables, but I like them sauteed. And I've boiled some potatoes as well, but I'm not going to saute them. So guys, the steak is ready, and now I'm going to put the sauce. So this looks so beautiful. Now I'm taste it. So now let's cut into this steak. See how tender this is. Super delicious. I love the taste. It's very creamy, juicy, tender, and the potatoes are really good. I mashed them and I put them on there. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.